You see the leak now?
No, this is not the leak. This is not the leak. I see the bearing, they make noise. So me, I want. No, whether not true.
I'm going to see that people are. I'm not going to bank one.
This thing, tap. Yeah, try to pull up.
That big bag. Which one? Yes.
See where that gripping plier they work from. Okay. So we got it out. After getting it out, then we have the next one. So we're also gonna be changing the pulley. So look, if you pull and come out like that, so use something, papa.
From back.
Now. Bend the compressor the other way. Yes, not too much. Find something, papa, like this, be happen like that. Coming out. Okay, it was making noise previously, so this is it? You can hear it. The bearing is too noisy, and that is what we want to replace. You shouldn't hear any noise when you spin this, put it like this. Can pull it from here. Doesn't mean that it must enter from here. Just keep tight, you know. $14. Should be on the gun now.
Yeah, use the longest station.
No, that's a shortcut. Every time shortcut.
No, shortcut are the day. So no longest station get shortcut.
Mba na nke ahụ ịchọ long extension ịta afọ now. Tight, no be loose. You are losing it. Haba.
Obade.
But Obabe, but on the lose, in a lose here, in a equation na tight you now, in a.
Use one another span.
15. Go, go, go. It has finished though. Cannot tight it.
I mean, you try to be careful.
Lose where.
Mr. Cook.
Okay. When you raise the chair, you make the same
No,
mistake.
before I come out there, no, they blink now.
You know, do and wait here. Say you do, make you do them. You go open the driver door last instead of the boot. The boot has to go last. If the boot go last, this thing will not do this thing. Where the remote there?